Introduction. Skydiving is an exhilarating adventure sport that allows individuals to experience the unparalleled thrill of free-falling through the sky before gliding gently back to the ground with a parachute. It combines the adrenaline rush of extreme sports with the breathtaking beauty of aerial views. In this article, we will explore the world of skydiving, covering its history, equipment, safety measures, and the unparalleled joy it brings to those who dare to take the leap. A brief history of skydiving. The roots of skydiving can be traced back to the late 18th century when early pioneers like André-Jacques Garnerin began experimenting with parachutes. However, it wasn't until the early 20th century that skydiving as we know it today truly took off. The first intentional freefall jump was made in 1919 by Leslie Irvin, who is often credited as the father of modern skydiving. Since then, advancements in equipment and training have transformed skydiving into a widely popular recreational activity. Equipment. Skydiving requires specialized equipment to ensure safety and a successful jump. The primary equipment includes 1. Parachute system. A parachute system consists of a main canopy, a reserve parachute as a backup, and a harness to secure the skydiver. Modern parachutes are designed for optimal performance and reliability, with advancements in materials and construction techniques. 2. Container system. The container system holds the parachutes and keeps them securely packed until deployment. It includes the harness, container, and deployment mechanism. 3. AAD, Automatic Activation Device. An AAD is a small electronic device that automatically deploys the reserve parachute if the skydiver fails to do so within a specific altitude range. It acts as an additional safety measure. 4. Altitude altimeter. An altimeter is a device that measures the skydiver's altitude above sea level. It helps in monitoring the freefall time and determining the appropriate moment for deploying the parachute. Safety measures. Safety is paramount in skydiving, and stringent measures are in place to ensure a secure experience for participants. These measures include training. Prior to making their first solo jump, aspiring skydivers undergo comprehensive training programs, which cover safety procedures, equipment usage, body positioning, emergency protocols, and canopy control. Training is typically provided by certified instructors at skydiving schools. 2. Tandem skydiving. For beginners, tandem skydiving is a popular option. In tandem jumps, the participant is securely harnessed to an experienced instructor who controls the entire jump. This allows beginners to experience the thrill of skydiving while relying on the expertise of their instructor. 3. Regular equipment inspections. Parachute systems and equipment undergo rigorous inspections and maintenance to ensure they are in optimal working condition. This includes regular parachute repacking, equipment checks, and adherence to manufacturer's guidelines. The skydiving experience. The skydiving experience is an unparalleled adventure that encompasses various stages. 1. Pre-jump preparation. Participants receive a thorough briefing, including an overview of safety procedures, equipment usage, and body positioning. They are guided on how to exit the aircraft and maintain the correct body posture during freefall. 2. Freefall. Once airborne, participants experience the heart-pounding thrill of freefalling at speeds reaching around 120 miles per hour, 193 kilometers per hour. This stage typically lasts for around 60 seconds, providing an adrenaline rush and an incredible sense of freedom. 3. Parachute deployment. At a predetermined altitude, the parachute is deployed, and the sensation of freefall transforms into a peaceful and serene glide through the sky. Participants can enjoy the breathtaking views and experience the sensation of floating in the air. 4. Canopy control and landing. Under the guidance of the instructor, in tandem jumps, or through personal control, in solo jumps, participants learn to maneuver the parachute and control their descent. They aim for a safe and soft landing, typically on a designated landing zone. Conclusion. Skydiving offers a unique and unforgettable experience, combining adrenaline-fueled thrills with awe-inspiring aerial views. With proper training, high-quality equipment, and strict safety measures, skydiving has evolved into a well-regulated adventure sport enjoyed by thrill-seekers around the world. Whether you're a first-time jumper or an experienced skydiver, the joy of defying gravity and witnessing the world from a bird's-eye view makes skydiving an adventure of a lifetime.